What's up, guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop, and I'm back. I know you guys are like, man, Alex, where the heck have you been? Man, it was such a crazy world, man. My YouTube account actually had gotten hacked.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yep, I got hacked because I had somebody do some work, some SEO work for me on my YouTube videos, and I think they just ended up, they got hacked, and then in turn I got hacked. It was just a crazy madness, but it was just this back and forth with YouTube and getting my account back and all of that. And anyway, let me save you the drama. So that's where I have been. But I'm back. All right, so I'm excited, man. I'm really excited. I've got a lot of interesting, amazing things coming down the pipeline, and actually, one of the things I wanted to do today was show you, because you know I've been dabbling in Forex quite a lot. I want to show you my Forex trades for today. Such a banger of a trade, man. So let me show you that. So this is my Forex dashboard, okay? It's an amazing dashboard. It makes trading so simple and so easy. Let me show you what I mean. So yeah, I just want to show you this amazing trade I took this morning on pound CAD and as well as pound USD. So I'm using the dashboard here, and I've showed you in other videos the dashboard, but it makes trading super simple and easy, and it tells me what pairs to focus on. And I know there's a lot of data on the dashboard, but I honestly only focus on like 3 columns, which is the peak direction, PFH, the yellow highlighted column, which is right here, and then where you see the 7 and 8. These are the only columns I focus on, right? And 7 or 8 is the score out of 11. The higher the score, the better the trade is. So it tells me pound CAD is the pair to focus on. It has an 8 checklist rating, so that's why I took this trade. So you can see here I took a sell on pound CAD, and you could just watch it play out. But from here, it's about 18 pips is my stop loss, and from here it just basically drops. You know, my plan for 2025 honestly is just to make Forex trading as easy and simple as possible, so that literally anybody can just pick it up and just trade if they want to, and be profitable with. So yeah, for 2025, literally that's one of my number 1 goals, is to make Forex trading so simple and easy that anybody can just pick it up and do it, right? And the plan to do that is to create an AI bot. You know, I know you guys have been hearing probably about like ChatGPT and other artificial intelligence type of bots and stuff like that. But that's my plan, right? I plan to combine the technology of the dashboard, the technology of my other bot called BTMM Sniper, and create a kind of artificial intelligence bot from that literally just trades Forex for you, and it's profitable. So that's what I'm planning to do in 2025 anyway. So yeah, stay tuned, stay glued to the channel, make sure you're subscribed, because when I drop that, I know you're definitely going to want to get your hands on it. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel and subscribe to it if you're not subscribed, so that you can get a heads up on that. All right, so let me show you this trade. Actually, what happened with this trade? It was what, pound CAD. So I entered pound CAD just right up here, and look at what happened with this trade afterwards. Just dropped, right? Just literally just dropped. Okay, let me measure the risk to reward for you. Okay, so my entry was roughly about here, my stop loss was right about here, so the entry was right about here. So that's literally a 8-hour trade. Okay, now I didn't catch it for the full move, just roughly about 6 hour is where I exited, but literally 8-hour trade. What does that mean, right? Because I know some people are new to Forex and you don't really know what the heck that is, but that's the equivalent of risking 1% to make 8%, or 1%, or $10 to make $80, or $100 to make $800, or $800 to make $8,000. That's what that means when I say risk to reward. Okay, it's how much are you risking versus how much is your reward. Okay, there were quite a lot of big other moves as well, like pound USD I entered as well. So pound USD, stop loss was like right above here. So I could show you what that one did here. So it did roughly about 4R for that one. Okay, so that one a little bit less, but it still did 4R. I mean, how many banks will give you 4% in a single year, right? And this was literally in one day, right? So go figure. All right, so this one, pound New Zealand, I did not enter this one, but I'll show you what this one did here. So pound New Zealand did roughly about, what's that, about 6R. Pound New Zealand did. And then pound AUD was the other really great trade today. And that one did roughly about what is it? Yeah, about 5R. About 5R on that one. So quite a lot of really great moves today. The dashboard literally picked up every single one of them. And I just chose the best one. Well, the best two, right? So the best two for me were pound USD and pound CAD. So that's why I entered into those other two trades. Okay, so stay tuned, man, because I'm hard at work developing, working and developing this bot. So hey, if any of you are experienced with artificial intelligence and AI type stuff, send me a message on Telegram. Because I'm looking for some additional help to get this thing done and built. All right, so if you are familiar with that. And my last note is, I know a lot of you reached out to me regarding the consistency lot calculator for HFT prop firms. Honestly, prop firms that accept HFT, I don't really like working with those prop firms. Like I stay away from them because once they start like saying that you need consistency rules, you need to do this, you need to line up your lot sizes, honestly I just avoid HFT prop firms, guys. So I'm talking prop firms like Nova, prop firms like Cortana, prop firms like Next Step Funded, right, just to name a few. Quantec Trading, honestly avoid it. It's not worth the time, right? It's not worth the time because they allow HFT. They're shady when it comes to payouts. So go for bigger prop firms like FTMO, bigger prop firms like E8. Okay, it's a good one as well. So those other bigger prop firms are just better in terms of delivering payouts and stuff like that. And FXify is another good one as well. FXify is another good one. So yeah, just go with the bigger prop firms and you save yourself the headache. Okay, all right guys, so that's it for today. But look out for more content from me. Always, God bless, take care, and have a great day. Bye bye.